Hi guys! How are you? Dito kami sa Baganga ngayon sa Davao Oriental, spending the Lenten season. Holy Thursday po ngayon, kaya we traveled from Davao City until here by car. Bali, 4 na oras ang biyahe. So here, this is the place. Beautiful place. Napakaganda ng place. And then the waves. Bye!